Have you ever wanted to be part of something bigger than yourself? All around the world, there are people with an orange machine. A machine that changes lives. A machine that turns logs into timber. The Wood-Mizer sawmill. I've seen firsthand the way a Wood-Mizer sawmill can impact a local community. Around the world, motivated individuals find great success with the help of our machines. Okay, this sets your forward reverse. This moves your blade guide arm in and out. See? A man in Malaysia can use it to create his own furniture from recovered wood. In Peru, workers are able to create lumber quickly and efficiently with their Wood-Mizer. Sawmillers in Africa can build successful and sustainable businesses and be set for life. At Wood-Mizer, we've served more than 100,000 sawmill owners worldwide. This is made possible by our dedicated network of Wood-Mizer dealers. Are you a business leader looking for your next big move? You could become our next Wood-Mizer dealer. You will represent an established, recognized international brand. You will have access to training, support structures, and a step-by-step setup process.
So in my experience of these, Bruce, with the normal machines that are
of the factory,
okay,
and we start to sell hundreds of these things.
Okay, jump on in.
You'll be selling a wide array of quality products covering the timber industry. We are looking for hard-working, enthusiastic and strategic thinkers. Successful Wood-Mizer dealers bring 15 years of business experience and local connections. Wood-Mizer is a dream dealership opportunity for leaders looking to expand their business. We're looking for dealers who we can trust, who have deep-rooted relationships and market knowledge. Becoming a Wood-Mizer dealer is challenging but rewarding. So what are you waiting for? Learn more about becoming a Wood-Mizer dealer.
Adiós.
Adiós.